Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So Shiba Inu is finally tradable on the Webull platform. Again, you're not buying or selling the coin itself because you don't have a wallet. Again, you're just trading or buying and selling the underlying asset. So today I'm going to show you how to buy it and sell it on the mobile platform and also web platform itself. The good thing about this is that you don't need a lot of money to trade the Shiba Inu coin, because with $5, you can own hundreds of thousands of shares because they're relatively cheap. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to trade on mobile version and then on the web version. And again, if you haven't signed up with Webull yet, feel free to do so. They're still giving away 2 free stocks that could be valued up to $2,300. Anyways, let's get started. So first things first, pull up the Webull app, and this is the Webull app. Ignore the background right now because that's the web version. So pull it up. In order to search for Shiba Inu, just type in, click the magnifying glass right over here and just type in SHIB, and then the USD will pop up right over here. This is the one. Click on it and I'll take you up to this screen. Or you could do it another way. I'm gonna just back this out. I'm gonna cancel this out and then gonna move this up a little bit. Just hide this right over here. Or you just click the markets right over here and then click on cryptos right over here. And then if you slide it a little bit over, SHIB USD is right over here. You can just click that and then it'll take you up to this same screen over here. So once you're in this screen, notice that it's trading at 0.000000715. So it's basically like really dirt cheap. So click on the trade icon right over here. So click on that. It'll take you up to this screen. So right now, for the sake of this, I'll show you a limit order and then also a market order as well. So right now I'm going to show you a limit order. I know if I set this really low, the limit, it'll immediately, buy. So again, I'm going to just hit buy limit, and then the limit price right now is 725. Right now the bid is what the buyers are willing to pay, and the ask is what the seller is willing to sell. So right now it's at 7. Sellers are selling at 726, and right now, if you do it at 725, actually, if you do at 726 right over here, I'm gonna click on it, 726. I know that for sure it's gonna execute because that's what the seller wants right now. So right over here, I'm gonna just, for USD, I'm gonna choose $1. And then I'm gonna scroll down, time in force, just leave it as day. Anyways, you can't even change it. So leave it as day, $1. And notice that right over here on the estimated in SHIB, it's 137,000. So that's how many shares you're getting. And that's a lot, which is insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on buy. So, and then you just read all this and then you understood. It's just basically what I just said earlier. And then working, and it's been filled right over here. So it's filled. So now I just bought $1 worth of it and I have thousands of shares worth of it. So that's how you buy it. And then I'm going to back it out. I'm going to show you how to sell it actually as well. So go ahead and click on the Webull icon right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this to your account. And then this is my account, my current account right now. So right now I have a SHIB USD, and right now I just lost a penny, I guess. That's like 1.31%. So in order to sell it or close out your position, because right now, if you were to, so I'll just show you right now because it gets a little bit complicated. So if I click here, it'll take me up to this this screen right over here. So sell to close right over here. If you click sell to close, basically it'll just automatically fill in everything for you, and you can just hit and sell the whole thing if you want. So currently right now I have a limit right over here that's set at 704. I know that if I were to do this price right now, it's probably not going to get executed. Let me see. Sell at this price. Oh yeah, actually it's gonna get executed because people are buying at 704 right now. So if I were to sell like this, everything fine, I don't have to calculate anything. It'll just do everything for me, and my estimated amount is 97 cents. So basically I'm losing 3 cents during this trade. So I'm gonna head and hit sell. So click on sell right over here, and then understood. I know that it's gonna execute because it's right there working and filled right now. So I got a little confirmation up here. So everything's filled. So that's how you close out your position and sell. Usually I don't normally do a sell by, the amount, because it's so it's so small in terms of how many shares you have. So just if I were to close out position, I guess I'll just go to the dollar amount. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way, and then I'm gonna show you this web version. So for the web version, click on a trade right over here, this hammer icon, trade. So once you click on here, so you basically go on the Webull app, the web platform, and then you log in your username and your password, and you get on this platform. So if you're just curious of how I got here, so click on the little hammer, which is the trade, type in the ticker, so it's SHIB, and then you'll see USD right over here. So basically the same thing. So click on it, and I'll pull up this little chart right here. I know that some of you guys don't have this. It's probably moved around elsewhere, but I just position it this way where it's easy for you guys to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy, click on buy. So remember on the other time I put a limit order, now I'm gonna do a market. So basically a limit gets you control of what price you wanna buy and sell at. So market is just paying the market rate. So I'm gonna hit market, and then the quantity. You could do the amount, or you could just do the quantity that you want. You could just basically type in 10 if you want. So 10 is just basically, it's so small that it's still $0, it seems like. But I'm not sure if that even will execute. Yeah, let me just type in the order real quick. See. Actually, I'm just curious if it actually is going to execute or not because it's so small. So I'm going to place an order. We provide crypto trading. Is not registered. Okay, so you just say continue. Actually, let me see if that works. Oh, so it has to be less than order cannot be less than $1. So it has to be $1. So quantity. You cannot just buy 10 because it's less than $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to the dollar amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, let's say for this one, I'm gonna just do $2 for the sake of it. So type in 2. Why don't you let me type in 2? So if I type in $2, I'm getting a lot. I'm 280,000 worth of shares on SHIB. So that's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and place an order right now. Notice this is a market order, so I'm paying market price. So again, it's probably gonna fill between these two numbers right over here. So I'm not even too sure what price it's gonna fill at. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit buy, and let's see, it's gonna be filling at, let's see, right over here, average price, right up. 723. So between these two numbers, like I said, it was between these two numbers. So again, that's how you buy it. So now currently I am in the red. I lost 3 cents, and yeah, so now I'm going to show you how to sell it. So once you make money or start losing hella money, and then you want to just go ahead and just sell out position, just go ahead and click sell. Go back here, you know, to trade, sell. You could do market or limit. So I'm going to show you how to do limit. So let's say if I don't want to lose money, and for sure, you know, if I were to type in the amount, so 714 right now, if I type in 714, it's not gonna, maybe it's gonna execute because the buy side wants to buy at 703. If I type in 703, for sure it's gonna execute. Let me see, why is it not letting me type? Okay, I figured this out. So if it's a really small amount, the system doesn't even let you type in like over 4 decimal places. So you're better off just using this little manual last price, bid price, or the ask price. So then, you know, you have your over 4 decimal places, so then you could just sell. But other than that, you can't do it. So you're better off doing the market, which it sucks, but that's what it is for the web platform. But I found out that if you were clicking these 3 dots, you could close your order. So if you want to sell the entire your entire position, just go ahead and close order right over here, and then I could just do it right now. So sell, my price is at let's say time and force, just manual, 701, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna just do the bid. What people are, oh, actually that's 7. So I'm gonna just do the bid right now, and then place my order, and then I'm gonna be executing all of this. So hit sell. Basically I lost probably like 6 cents over here. Yeah, probably like 6 cents because I saw it filled. My position is gone for SHIB. So that's how you buy and sell, I guess, on the web app version. Anyway, hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. And like always, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and give it a like if it's really helpful for you guys. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.